Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket and a new big release of this year, that is Kimi K2.5 is released now, and it is the most powerful open source model to date, including on coding as well. It can code given vision capabilities too. This is just amazing. Looking at the benchmark numbers, it is directly competing with OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. And as you can see on agents, there is just no match for Kimi K2.5. On coding, also it is behind, not by a major margin. For images, also the model looks good, and for video, it is just blasting out. It is comparing with closed source model in this particular chart. So this is easily the best open source model released, even for coding also. Now let's jump on to testing out the model for free on Kimi.com. So this is a new release, meet Kimi K2.5, Visual Agentic Intelligence. As you can see, you can add a photo, create a gallery. It is creating galleries using the images, whatnot. Kimi Universe is there. Turn everything into coding arts. I think this is the new era of models that is coming in. Scroll trigger effects. Multiple things are coming. I think they are promoting it as visual agentic intelligence. Beyond image and video understanding, Kimi can generate code from any design. This is crazy. Crazy. Let's try it out now. Let me ask Kimi to build websites for you. So let me try out something. Build me a website for Data Science Pocket, my YouTube channel. Fetch info from internet about it. Let's see what it generates. Kimi computer is up. This is using Kimi K2.5 agent, as you can see. Oh my god. Let me see how it works. This is using Kimi's computer. It's a tool that it has provided on Kimi.com. You can test it out. It is running right now. I will help you build a website for your Data Science Pocket YouTube channel. First, let me search information about the channel, read the web app building skill to ensure I follow best practices. I think the model is looking good on coding, so I'm assuming it to be doing something great. It is doing some certain searches. It has got my publication, as you can see, Data Science in a Pocket. This looks to be a very cool UI. I think we haven't tested it out yet, but I think Kimi.com is also one of the most strongest platforms to use LLMs. By the time it is building the website for us, let's jump on to other details of the model. This is the Hugging Face page of the model, Kimi K2.5, where you can find the free model, open source, 15 trillion mixed visual and text tokens atop Kimi K2 base, multiple benchmarks. Model summary is 1 trillion parameters. I think this is amazing. Activated parameters 32 billion, and a lot of information present here in terms of benchmarks. Also, the model is the best open source model right now. As you can see, it is able to gather a lot of information about data science in a pocket channel. It has got the creator's name, content, reach, topics, platforms, product, language in a pocket. It is able to pick out almost everything about us. This is looking amazing. On the right hand side, you can see all the stuff it is able to extract for me. Even Udemy platform, it is able to fetch me out. So that is amazing. So this is the first step. I think channel overview it is able to extract. Next, it started building the file, as you can see, creating files. As you can see, this is loading. This is the UI also looking quite good. As you can see, it has generated 12 tasks within this particular task of creating a website, and it is right now on task 2, create design PRD with aesthetics, animations, and interaction design. So let's wait. Let's come after in a while. By the time it has moved on some bits. Now, as you can see, the file is created. Now let me initialize the project and generate the visual assets for your website. It's still on stage 2. Generating images also. This is very interesting. As you can see, Kimi K2.5 agent is looking bonkers of a model. The UI is very sleek, and it is taking its own good time to generate an entire website for my YouTube channel. This is amazing. So by the time our website gets developed, let's talk a little about the model. Kimi K2.5 Visual Agentic Intelligence at Scale. Moonshot AI's most powerful open source model, 15 trillion tokens, 1 trillion parameters, native model and agent swarm. What is Kimi K2.5? 15 trillion mixed visual and text tokens, 32 billion activated parameters are there, and 384 mixture of experts architecture. This is huge. The model is available as an API as well as on Kimi.com as well. It has 4 modes: instant, thinking, agent, and agent swarm, which is in beta. Native model is vision and text learned together from the start. As you can see, learn together, no trade off. Better vision equals to better reasoning and coding. Strongest open source model yet. Image video to code. It can see at an image, it can see from a video and then start coding. Can do visual debugging also, visual reasoning, and lower barrier. 100 sub-agents, about 1,500 tool calls in parallel, 4.5 cross execution time reduction, 80% time runtime reduction, fewer critical steps, parallel training, that is parallel agent reinforcement learning, and self-directed, no predefined roles. Where it can be used for generating Word documents, financial models, PDF processing, long form content, and whatnot. Looking at the benchmark, as we have already seen, the model is quite crazy and it is looking way better than other models. Oh, it's open source for everyone. Available for developers, researchers, and knowledge workers. It has an agent swarm, self-directed parallel execution with up to 100 sub-agents, and real-world productivity. Now we know about the basics of the model. Let's jump back to the website that we were developing. As you can see, it is now able to complete 5 of the 12 tasks. It has generated all the images also. Let me see a few images here. What it has generated. Back to the latest part. Right now it is now creating a section component. I will start with the navigation and hero section again. Let me set up a custom styling and install GS for animation. It is adding a lot of things, as you can see. The model is free to use, as you can see on Kimi.com. So don't wait, just try it out straight away. And with this, the task is completed. The website is deployed for data science in a pocket. URL is this that we will open in a bit. What I have built: hero sections, content channels, courses, latest video, community, etc. etc. It has provided a lot of things and it has taken us about 15 minutes to build this entire website, but this looks to be amazing. Let me check this out. Now, this is the website built by Kimi K2.5 agent. My friends, we are in for trouble. It's taking me to my website page. This is quite interesting. A new video every Friday. This looks quite sleek. If you click on work, it has multiple toggles. Join the list, subscribe on the YouTube channel. If you scroll down, courses that actually move the needle, Python for data science. It is created something fake. Also, get the book. Amazing website, and it is deployed it also. Build an ML pipeline in 20 minutes. I think it's good time to build a new portfolio for myself using Kimi. And yeah, this is amazing, I would say. The quality of the output is good. Manual, data science, data science, GBS, free tools and templates, and whatnot. Built from Kimi Agent. This is quite amazing. The quality looks amazing, and I think yes, Kimi K2.5 agent is going to stay here. Do try it out for free on Kimi.com. The link is in the comment section below. Thank you so much.